We're here in Kingston, Georgia today at a place that the county refers to as Spring Bank. This is Bartow County, Georgia. This tree is a white oak. This is technically the second largest white oak in the state of Georgia. It is 246 inches in circumference and it's about 10 feet DBH. So it's a beautiful tree. There's a tree that's slightly larger in Madison. So this would be considered a state champion, and that tree is a state champion also. I see this tree a lot. I climb this tree a lot. We spend a good deal of time in it. So beautiful tree. So we're gonna do an inspection on it today, see what we find. I've been asked by the county to come out here and do an inspection. Wouldn't consider this a tree risk assessment, more or less inspecting the tree to see if anything needs to be done. There's a pruning dose that needs to be prescribed. Based on the age of this tree and the value, if there's any pruning that's going to be done, I would suggest that it's stuff that's less than 6 inches. We may do some dead wooding and things like that, but there will not be a lot of heavy pruning suggested on this tree just based on its age and how well it's done. It's not in an urban environment. It's out here by itself. It's not competing with anything. It's been taken care of over the years, and so we'll probably remulch around the base, a light layer of mulch, 3 inches or less. But other than that, the tree seems to be doing very well.